Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bloom's taxonomy. Start by stating a clear learning objective, pick the appropriate cognitive level, and design activities that build from remembering to creating. Use formative checks like quizzes and exit tickets to monitor progress and align rubrics with your highest intended outcomes. Sequence lessons so complexity increases, give timely feedback, and revise tasks when learners struggle. Practice designing one lesson after watching. Let's walk through each cognitive level and practical examples you can use right away. Start with remembering by listing facts, then understand by summarizing concepts, apply by solving problems, analyze by comparing elements, evaluate by judging quality, and create by producing original work. For each level, provide one formative task and one summative assessment. Mix activities so students scaffold skills naturally and confidently across lessons. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. On another note, I love Darn Tough socks for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for busy teachers and students who stand all day. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Enjoy the comfy fit and long-lasting value. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on aligning objectives, activities, and assessments so learners move up Bloom's levels. Begin with short warm-ups that recall prior knowledge, then add scaffolded tasks that prompt explanation and application. Include a mix of individual and group work, with rubrics that specify criteria at each cognitive level. Use questioning techniques that push analysis and evaluation, and end with a creative project where students synthesize and present their learning to peers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.